In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to showcase your Instagram feed on your website. To get started, the very first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, head over to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing google.com into the address bar at the top of your screen and pressing Enter on your keyboard. When you're on the Google homepage, you'll see the familiar search box in the center of the screen. Click inside that search box so your cursor appears there. Now, type in the phrase, "How to showcase your Instagram feed on your website." Try to type it exactly like that, because this specific search phrase is going to bring up guides, tools, and tutorials that are directly focused on embedding or displaying your Instagram posts on a website. After you've typed in the phrase, press Enter, or click the search icon. Google will now load a results page based on what you searched for. This page is typically called the search results page, and it will show you a list of links, articles, and sometimes videos related to your query. Take a moment to scan the search results. Near the top, you'll likely see links to step-by-step guides, official documentation from website platforms, and services that specialize in embedding social media feeds. Many of these results will walk you through connecting your Instagram account and generating a piece of code you can paste into your website. As you scroll, look for results that seem reputable and up-to-date. For example, you might prioritize guides from well-known website builders, established blogs, or Instagram-related tools. Clicking on one of these links will open a more detailed tutorial tailored to your specific needs, whether you're using a platform like WordPress, Shopify, or a custom-built site. Once you've opened a guide that looks helpful, follow the instructions there to connect your Instagram profile and customize how your feed will appear. Keep in mind that every website platform is a little different, so the exact steps after this search will depend on what you're using. If one result doesn't match your setup, you can always go back to the Google results and open another guide that better fits your situation. And that's it for this starting step, using Google to quickly find focused, reliable instructions on showcasing your Instagram feed on your website.